To announce the Tennessee Titans selection, please welcome, from the University of Florida, the 16th overall draft pick by the Titans in 1999, defensive end, Javon Curse.
And with the 33rd pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the Tennessee Titans select Kevin Dodd, linebacker, Clemson.
Kevin Dodd is 6'5", 277. A little bit of a one-year wonder at Clemson. Didn't play before this season. He's long and athletic. He's a base 4.3 end, but only a one-year starter, which concerns some teams. Now, if you want to take a look at what this kid does well, his best football was against Notre Dame, Oklahoma, and Alabama, and he played really well at the end of the season. He uses his length, and watch him come underneath the right tackle, gets an edge, and finishes. And again, finishes. So when I look at him, I see a long athlete, not real twitchy, but he can be physical, set an edge, and he will be a difference maker over time in the pass game.